The HP SmartTank 670 printer does not have a dedicated ID copy button. We will show you how to copy both sides of the ID card onto one single page. We're going to show you how to copy an ID card on the HP SmartTank 670 printer. So let's load the ID card onto the flatbed scanner. We'll place it face down. Press on the color copy button. So this is the printout. You need to reload the paper back into the input tray, and here's how. You need to rotate it and flip it over and load it back into the input tray. Next, let's flip the card over. We'll put it slightly further down from where its original position is. Let's press the color copy button. And this is the printed copy. And this is the original. And so this is how you copy an ID card on the same page for your HP SmartTank 670 printer.